Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a run through of my latest journal, following on really from the same type of thing, except I've used the Scribe and Painter kit in my shop. I wanted to make a pastel coloured journal. It sort of worked. I don't know, I start making these books and then it sort of morphs into its own sort of living entity. They are quite strange. I'm sure I'm not the only one that finds this. Right, so hardcover, curved spine. There's just shy of 200 pages altogether. I really am going to have to learn to put less in them because I run out of weight and the weight becomes prohibitive, sort of anything over a kilo. So measures 6 to the edge there, maybe another ½ an inch to the spine, 8 3/4. There's roughly a 2-inch spine on there. So the front is a flower, and I cannot remember for the life of me what the flower is. It's actually an image I've taken from an image I've used inside and made a stencil with it. So we have some butterflies, dragon. I've heat embossed them. I've fussy cut them out and then heat embossed them so that it gives them a bit of strength and a bit of sparkle. Tim Holtz fastener, large eyelet on the back and some sari silk. That's what that's called. So if we go inside, sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I've got everything in where it should go. So first page, I've excuse me. So we've got like a kind of weathered blue harlequin with an image also taken from one of the pages in here. These are from a 15th century artist. I'm not sure what they were commissioned for. I shall have to have a look and see, because these things were done normally as commissions. It just fitted in beautifully with the Scribe and Painter kit. So we've got line papers, and I've just added a bit of a watermark to the side of the lines. Light on tags, because I'm running out of weight. So there are tags, but just not very many of them. This is some parchment paper that we're getting ready to move, so I'm having to sort through all my stuff again, and I found some pink parchment paper. I thought that would look really good. So some gold shimmer texture paste that I've stenciled over the top of it. And if I can grab a tag, there is a tuck spot in there. And this is a 15th century sort of calligraphy, illuminated text I think they're called. I love that. Lined on the back. That's some German dictionary paper. And this is out of a new book I've got about landscapes in the English country houses, and these are all sort of fit in with the time scale. Some pages out of my sewing book. I've got a 1930s, 1940s sewing book, or book on sewing, and this one is about embroidery. Another digital stamping, little note card, and this is out the Scribe and Painter kit. And the centre. And we get to the back of the pages. More digital stamping. Embroidery. And books. And this is printed vellum that I've put as a book, tuck spot I suppose they're called. I've tried to match all the images to the same type of era. That's the back of the parchment paper, so tuck spot. Some more of the stenciled shimmer paste, that's the word I'm looking for. And the rest of the images, they're all the images are by the same artist, all these ones are. Tuck spot. That's out of the Scribe and Painter kit. some more digital stamping. Now what I have done in this, and why the weight is so, why it's so heavy, is because I've done a fair bit of collaging, which I really enjoy. So this is two paper bags which I've sewn together, and then obviously big tuck spots inside. So, some more English countryside, and this is the Edwardian Ladies Flower Diary. Music paper, some more illuminated text, and the centre. The other half of the music book. Lake Windermere, it must be, oh yes, so English landscapes, that one. The other, I'm afraid, butterflies got a bit flattened, but there is dimension to them. So the other half of the paper bag with these images I've used here are part of the scribe and painter kit. I've just cut them out to use them as part of the collage. Digi-stamping. Back of the kit, that's a vellum pocket with the tag. And then the third signature. Nice big deep pocket. Scribe and painter kit. Digi-stamping. Now this I got from the old design shop. I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is. And it was about handwriting. So I've just shrunk it down and made it into a little tag. I will put links to this shop below. Illuminated text. A bit of culture. Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, that one. Some more out of the English landscape gardens. Now this one, how to use your sewing machine. I have to admit, it's probably still as relevant now as it was back in the 30s. Apart from the fact there's no buttonhole foot on that one. And the centre. That's another printed vellum tuck spot pocket. A bit more digi-stamping. That's at the back of the scribe and painter kit. That's a belly band with a tag. And the fourth signature. I do love these. See, this is where I sort of thought, oh, pink, blue, not sure about the colour of the cover, and then I thought, no, I'm going to go for blue. We have a side tack. More illuminated script, digi-stamping, more collage. So, them again, dimensional butterfly. It's another card out of the kit, and I've just laid it all up. Nice deep bag there. These are from my swap with Crafty Irina. They're lovely. Let's see if I can get them in this country. Dictionary paper, some more the Edwardian Ladies book. And this is out of the same music book. This is actually a cover sheet, and I didn't realise until reading it that it's actually in, well, that looks like German, but I know the book is French. That's out of the scribe and painter kit. And the centre. Back of this music book. I tried to pick out everything for the book pages, so they were kind of pastel colours. Tuck spot and the other collage, the other side of the collage bag. So we have again layering, lace and a pussycat butterfly. Nice big tuck spaces. Some more digi-stamping. And the 5th signature. Sorry, I should have said there were actually 7 signatures altogether. So, nice big pocket again. Oops. And the scribe and painter kit. Bit more German dictionary paper and some more of the landscape gardens. This one is embroidery again from my sewing book. And this again is the old design shop, digi-stamping. And the centre. Wouldn't it be wonderful to have time to applique all your curtains, or embroider them in fact. Some more German dictionary and another printed vellum pocket. I love the colours on these, they are so vibrant. And that's a fabric tuck spots. And the 6th signature, that's actually the image I've taken and used and made into a stencil for the front cover, that one. So if anybody knows the name of that, that's what's on the front. Tuck spots. Sorry, the tags are a bit sparse. Another paper bag which has been sewn together and collaged. So there's a pussycat butterfly. It's quite a big, nice deep pocket in there. Some digi-stamping, a bit more the English countryside. That German music book, illuminated text. I suppose really these were the original collages, albeit only in painting. But oh, to be able to master the art. I'm still practicing with my calligraphy. Not going too good. Some more there. Scribe and painter kits, centre. Back of the pages. Digi-stamping. Another tuck spot. And the last of the collages. So same again, pussycat butterfly. That's a card out of the kit. And I've layered it up with music paper and book paper and some lace. And a nice deep pocket. And then the last signature. So, lace pockets, illuminated text, loads of spaces for journaling. These are faint enough to be written over. I've got them in my own journals, and that's what I do with them. Under the parchment paper with some shimmer paste. Another tuck spot. That's out of the scribe and painter kit. We have another vellum pocket. Oh, and that's part of the same kit from the old design shop. And that's out of one of Bennington's countryside books. The sewing page. Centre. They haven't actually changed much, have they, since the 30s, these the feet for the sewing machines. I suppose keep it simple. And the back of the Bennington's picture. Another vellum pocket. Another tuck spot. Oops, tuck spot there. And a bit more stenciling with the paste. Digi-stamping. And the last page. Same paper, just left it plain with my seal on it. So there we are. What a hefty one, this one. I will be listing it for sale in my Etsy shop in a bit. Bear with me. We have more people coming around to look at the house. So thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all later. Take care. Bye.